first step is loading of the ICL. That is very crucial in ICL surgery. And first fill up the ICL cartridge with BSS and top it with little bit amount of HPMC. Now take out the ICL from the water with the help of Merocell tipped plunger, and make sure that the hole is at right side of you. That means right side of the surgeon. Now place it in the cartridge, one side first, and it's better to rest on a finger so that you won't shake it. Now with the rotating and pushing movement, put the other side of the ICL in the cartridge. It has to be in a correctly equally divided in both sides. With the help of ICL forceps, hold it firmly and pull the cartridge away from it. Don't pull the ICL. Bring it up to the tip of the cartridge. Now place it into the injector and put little bit BSS there before you lock it. Now rotate it and lock it. Now in the temporal side, make a section. It should be around 3.2 mm. If you are using a 3 mm ketome, little bit extend it. Then fill up the antechamber with FCN3. And the injecting the ICL is not like regular foldable IOL. It has to be in push and withdraw method, so that the ICL will slowly release into the antechamber. Always look at the hole. It should be releasing at the right side of you, at the right side of the surgeon. That means it is in a correct orientation. Inject viscoelastic on the ICL so that it will go down, and the manipulation of ICL is not difficult. With the help of ICL manipulator, fold the haptic and unfold below the iris. Same way do it in all haptics. Here I am using two instruments, one to lift the iris and other one to unfold below the iris. And one should not touch the lens. This you can avoid by touching only the ICL with the instruments and putting pressure gentle and manipulating only the ICL. Once you place the ICL below the iris, rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise around 20 degrees so that it will unfold completely. And it is very important to remove all the viscoelastic below the ICL as well as in the antechamber. Place the IU cannula at the center hole and aspirate viscoelastic. The viscoelastic would come from the central hole which is there below the ICL and form the antechamber by hydrating side ports and main port. Thank you.